Bob N. Frapples. Do you get it? Do you get it? Slides a box with 43 newtons of force at a constant speed of 5.3. What is his power output? Well, let's use P as FV. Right? So let's see. Power is 43 newtons times 5.3 meters per second. Right? I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. 43 times 5.3. 227.9. And this is going to be Newton meters per second, or joules per second, or watts, another way to say that. You get it? Okay. Oh, I guess we only have 2 sig figs. I guess I have to say about 230 watts. 230 Brady watts, or Riley watts, could be that. Or Sam, I guess.